In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Microsoft Teams with Calendly. Whether you're managing meetings, hosting virtual events, or coordinating schedules, integrating Calendly with Microsoft Teams can save you time and streamline your workflow. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your account seamlessly connected, ensuring that each event you schedule in Calendly automatically generates a Microsoft Teams meeting link. If you don't already have a Calendly account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. To begin, head over to the Calendly homepage and log in to your account. This is where everything starts. Logging in ensures you have access to all the tools and integration options Calendly offers. Once you're in, look over to the menu on the left side of your screen. Scroll through the options and click on Integrations and Apps. This is the section that allows you to connect Calendly to other platforms, making it a central hub for your scheduling needs. Now in the Integrations and Apps section, you'll either scroll through the available options, or if you want to save some time, you can use the search bar at the top to locate Microsoft Teams conferencing. Typing it into the search bar is often the quickest way to find it, but feel free to browse if you prefer. Once you've found Microsoft Teams conferencing, click on it to open the integration details page. Here you'll see all the information about what this integration does and how it works. At the top of this page, you'll notice a button that says Integrate Now. Go ahead and click on that. This is the key step to starting the connection process. Next, you'll be prompted to log in with your Microsoft Teams email and password. Simply enter your credentials here and you'll be good to go. Now, if you're already logged into Microsoft Teams in another browser tab, Calendly might recognize your account automatically and you won't need to re-enter your details. But don't worry if it still asks, just complete the login as prompted. Once you've logged in, the integration will finalize, linking your Microsoft Teams account to Calendly. This connection allows Calendly to automatically create unique Microsoft Teams meeting links whenever you schedule an event. It's that simple. No more manually adding links or extra steps during your scheduling process. To make sure everything is set up correctly, test the integration by scheduling an event in Calendly. When you do, check to see if a unique Microsoft Teams meeting link is automatically added to the event details. This step is important because it confirms that the integration is working as expected and ensures your invitees will receive the correct meeting link. Finally, if you need to adjust any settings or troubleshoot any issues, you can always revisit the Integrations and Apps section in Calendly. From here, you can manage your integrations, make changes, or even explore other options to enhance your scheduling experience. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Microsoft Teams to Calendly, making your scheduling process smoother and more efficient. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.